open.
It's nice.
No, I don't. Yes, I do watch it.
Do you guys watch porn movies?
Yeah, sometimes. It's like I feel it's natural. Yeah.
Do you watch porn? Do you watch porn? Why are you asking?
नहीं काफ़ी टाइम हो गया काफ़ी पहले देखी थी अब नहीं देखता
Do you watch porn?
Porn? Yeah. No, I don't.
You guys watch porn?
Yeah.
Why not? Watch porn?
Yes. At times when I'm excited and I need some action in my life, I watch porn.
Why don't you watch porn?
I don't watch porn because I find more things to be more interesting than watching porn. It's not fascinating.
I don't have interest in it.
Why don't you watch porn? I don't like it.
No way.
We do watch porn, so if people are judging us, then we cannot judge us.
I just people who don't watch porn.
No, it's their wish. If they want, if they like it, they can watch it. I don't like it. No, I don't judge them. I think it's their personal wish and it's totally fine.
I don't judge people at all. At all. No, I don't judge people if they watch porn because everyone has their choices. They can watch anything if they want.
It depends on the people. It might be or it might not be. According to the thinking of the people.
It is absolutely justified to watch porn. And anything, if you enjoy and does not harm anyone else in the society, it's justified.
Is it morally right to watch porn?
I don't think कि इसमें कुछ गलत है.
There's nothing wrong. Although I don't watch, personally I don't like to watch, but it's okay to watch.
Is it morally right to watch a porn?
Yes. I've read somewhere that the people who watch porn has the less possibility of doing rape and all this.
I think people blame a lot of things on ethics and on what is moral and what is not. I think everything is subjective and it's what you want to do. So if you want to watch porn, go ahead and watch porn. Nobody's stopping you, nobody's judging. It's your own wish, it's your own way.
No, it's not. It's just a mode of enjoyment. Everybody does. No, it's not against the Indian culture. See, culture depends upon our mentality. So nothing is against or in favor of our culture. But I personally don't like and I have no interest in watching porn. That is the reason I don't.
No, it's not against any culture. No, it's not against any culture.
No, it's not like that. It's not against our culture. According to me, yeah, it is.
Does your perspective towards women change after watching a porn?
For me personally, no, it does not.
Does your perspective towards women change after watching a porn?
No.
I don't think so because you know it's a porn, it's a short movie and it's a scripted thing, so it doesn't change your perspective, it does not glorifies anything and it does not only for women, it shows both men and women. So I just put like it changes perspective towards women. It changes your perspective towards men also if it changes it, but it does not.
Do you think it influences the behavior of a man towards a woman? It depends on the man.
Yeah, it can, as some people may get too desperate to just have sex with women by watching porn.
Yes, I agree that it leads to rape because boys get more extinct and they just want to experience it what they have seen in actual life.
Everything leads to rape in India.
Even chow mein does.
No, not at all. It does not have any impact and it's a proven scientific fact in a study which says like watching porn, talking about sex, reading about sex does not lead to rape. Only the rapist and the mentality causes rape, nothing else does that.
Well, the rape percentage should not have anything to do with people watching porn or not because it's entirely two different things. Rape is when somebody is forcing himself on the girl or vice versa or even a boy, and porn is just a person who's just sitting in his room or wherever the hell he's sitting and watching porn. So that is not connected. I think that rape cannot be justified by people who are watching porn.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है वो तो अपनी मेंटलिटी के ऊपर है ऐसा नहीं है कि हम वो देखते हैं तो उस चीज़ से हमें मतलब वो समझ में आता है हम किसी को देखकर वैसा रिएक्ट करें या ऐसा फील करें हर किसी के लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं